EZcare offers you an intuitive and easy-to-use way to build powerful forms for your operations. Our customers build forms for cleaning, inspection, maintenance, inventory tracking, linen delivery, hot tub and pool services, new property onboarding checklist, and many, many more. First, you can create forms that tailor to each of your properties. For a 2-bedroom 1-bath condo, your checklist can be short and simple. For a 6-bedroom mansion with media and exercise rooms, you will need a checklist that covers all areas and amenities. You can create dynamic forms with conditional rules. For example, questions about hot tub are only displayed at units with a hot tub. You can set certain questions as required, such as, is the unit in rental-ready condition? You can also require field staff to take certain photos. Your housekeeper sets the furniture, towels and pillows properly. You can upload staged photos with instructions. You can also upload reference photos and instruct your housekeepers or inspectors to take similar photos with the proper angle. EZcare can automatically generate a report with side-by-side images of staged versus after clean photos. Photos are automatically labeled for you and placed at the right place on the report. You can link form fields to unit attributes. Deliver linen to unit Seaside Paradise with 1 king and 2 twin beds? No problem. The system tracks that for you automatically. Change filters every quarter? Easy. The system tracks recurring schedules and filter size at each unit. You can also add inventory fields in a form to track inventory movements, such as delivering a roller bed to a unit, restocking toilet paper, or refilling shampoo bottles. Scanning the barcode or QR code using the EZcare mobile app saves a lot of time. Have Spanish or Portuguese-speaking crew? No problem. You can translate EZcare's forms to multiple languages. The mobile app shows a Spanish checklist, while results are translated back to English on the website. EZcare's powerful and yet easy-to-use forms make life simpler for both office managers and field team members. Contact us and try it out yourself.